Hello. In this video tutorial we will look at how to configure the Face Mask Detector module. The module is designed to monitor the use of protective masks in public places, such as retail stores, and allows you to determine which people present in the frame or are not wearing masks. A special script is responsible for the module's operation logic, which generates alarm events when someone without a protective mask is detected. These events are recorded in the server database and can be sent as notifications via email, SMS or Telegram. The module works using a neural object detector. First, make sure that Face Mask Detector module is activated in the Analytics section. To activate the detector, go to the Channels tab, select the desired channel, find the detector neural detector from the list of software detectors, and activate it. On Windows OS, the detector can only work remotely using offload analytics, while local use is available on NeuroStation NVRs. After activation, you need to go to Settings and change the detection mode. Universal mode is selected by default, which is not suitable for the module to work. It needs to be changed to Face Mask Detector mode. Next, you need to set the detection period. The more often detection occurs, the better. Therefore, you should set detection for once per second and activate the classifier to detect presence of protective masks. You should also activate object tracing and make sure the channel is counting the objects. Please note that the script will not work without object tracking. This is due to the fact that tracking allows you to keep count of unique objects in the frame, and this is the type of object the script works with. After configuring the detector parameters, an error may appear stating that the detector or option is disabled in analytics settings. In our case, this error is caused by a discrepancy between the selected face mask detector parameters and those specified in the analytics settings. Solving this error is quite simple. You must go to the detector's advanced settings and specify the quality of the face detector that is specified in the server analytics settings. As soon as the error is corrected, the status "Detector Works" will appear. Now you need to configure the counting zones. The Face Mask Detector module uses counting zones to detect the faces of masked and unmasked people in specified areas of the image. To create and configure zones, go to the Object Counting tab. The first time the neural detector is activated, a base counting zone is created that occupies the entire image area. This zone should be edited depending on your specific scenario. It is assumed that the module will work on a camera located at the store entrance, and in most cases one zone will be enough. But you can always form additional zones using the Create New Counting Zone button. After creating and editing the zones, it is necessary to determine which of them will be used to generate alarm events in the case that someone without a mask enters. This zone needs to be renamed and must include the word "masks" in the title. This allows the script to determine in which zone it needs to function and generate alarm events. After renaming the zone, you can edit its background and perimeter colors, line thickness, and indicate the color of faces with protective masks. The faces of those without protective masks will be marked with a red frame. This completes the basic setup of the detector. The camera image will now show the faces of masked and unmasked people. If not, you should check the figure display settings and make sure that the neural detector is working. The next stage of working with the module is to load and configure the script used for generating events and notifications. To download the script, go to the Automation tab and select New Script. Next, you need to click Download Example from File. In the window that opens, select the script file and click the Open button. After downloading the script, click on Save, Run. Now you need to switch to Video Monitor mode and open the Modules tab, and from the drop-down list select the Social Security Violation script. In the script settings you should specify the schedule of work, namely the time of opening and closing the object. Next, you need to select the notification type. The most basic type will be the event log that generates events which are stored in the server database. After selecting the notification type, you need to run the script by clicking on Run Script. Now, when a person without a mask enters the specified zone, an alarm event will be generated, which can be viewed through the event log. This completes the basic configuration of the module. Thanks for your attention.